All right, so let's start this video off with showing you how powerful this is, because that's what we all want to know, right? We're getting a blower. How powerful is it? 24,000 RPM. I got everything hooked up here. I'm going to break it all down after I show you the power. It's a step trigger, so the tighter you squeeze this, the more power you're going to get, and you're going to hear each level of power as I do that. So here we go. A lot of power, and I love how quick it shuts off and turns on. So it's a really nice feature. So let's talk about this. You're going to get your extension pieces here, so these just twist to remove. You're going to have 2 of them. So if you want to dry your car with this, which is what I do, I'm going to show you a few different things around the yard, some leaves, drying the car, blowing out the back of my car. Great for the house, spring cleaning. You got pets, open up the back door, get the hair out of the house, the garage. Great for a lot of different things. But you know, you can put the shorter piece on here. You can have them both on like I just had. You're going to get 2 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, which is great. Also going to get the AC wall charger for that. Little indicator button there, red or green. When it's green, batteries are fully charged. So always let your batteries fully charge before you use them. You're going to get a longer lifespan out of them. Both your batteries are going to include the power indicator there. So you can see these are fully charged, all green, lit up. Also on the handle here, they got a nice grip texture, so it's non-slip. Really sticks into your hand really nicely. Feels good, really comfortable. It's built well. Nice, hard, solid plastic. And yeah, I'm really impressed with this. You know, I love these kind of things. Great gadget. I pull the blower out every day, you know, out here on the patio. There's always something to blow off, especially that time of the year when the pollen's coming down. We're in North Carolina, so we get a lot of pollen. Keeping this in your car, blowing off your car, everything. These things just come in handy. They're great. So, like I said, 24,000 RPM, a lot of power. So I'm going to take you around, show you some things, how we use this. And I really wanted to thank the company for sending this out to me so I could show you guys a demonstration, go over some of the specs, show you this in action, and all the great things that it does. So I really appreciate it. This thing's awesome. Favorite things to use the blower on is drying my car. I'm a fanatic about keeping my car clean. This is an easy way to dry it, especially when you have nooks and crevices like I have on this vehicle. Great for the wheels. Let me show you that. If you're somebody like me, you don't want to pull out the vacuum every time you're washing your car. You just want to get a quick cleaning. This is a good way to do it. You can see all the debris that builds up back here, especially if you have pets or you carry tools or haul things in the back of your car. This is a great way to get rid of it. This debris build up in here, another great way to move it out without having to touch it. I like to find anything I can to use my blower for. Here's another great example. So we have our hammock out here, right? It's attached to trees. Bugs like to crawl on this thing. Ants, they'll be laying on it. You don't want to jump on this thing with a bunch of ants. I bring this blower out. Obviously, I'm going to clear the leaves and any debris that falls in it from the trees above. But it's great for clearing off the ants and everything.